Using an AED, an automated external defibrillator. You have completed cycle of compressions and an AED arrives. Open the case. Put on the provided gloves. Lift or cut shirt from person. You will now hear what an AED sounds like.
Follow wires to find gray plastic case. Peel one white pad from the gray case. Place pad exactly as shown. When the first pad is in place, peel the second pad. Stay clear of patient. Stay clear of patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Stay clear of patient. Press the flashing orange button now. Shock delivered. Be sure emergency medical services have been called. It is safe to touch the patient. Begin CPR.
Continue until EMS arrives. Using an AED, an automated external defibrillator.